So the question given is V is equals to, a set is given to you, -7, -1, 5, 11, 17 and 23. Question is, which of the following is true? Select the three correct options. First, the difference between any two consecutive term of V is constant. So first, what is a consecutive term? Consecutive terms are the adjacent terms. And since we need to find out the difference, we need to check what is the difference between two terms. So we can do -1 minus -7. Second term minus the first term. That's give us -1 plus 7, which is equal to 6. Now, if I need to check whether this is the same throughout, so if I add 6 to this term, I'll get this term. If I again add 6 to this term, I get this term. Similarly, going on and on. So yes, difference between any two consecutive term of V is constant. This is correct. So this is not constant means it's wrong. Now, third point is the sequence V is not linear. Whenever you add same constant throughout, it's always linear. Okay. If you add different amount of number to different terms, it means it is not linear. But here, you are adding +6 to all terms. So it is linear. So this is correct, this is wrong. And the difference between any two consecutive term of V is equal to -5. No, we already calculated, it is +6. So this is also wrong and this is correct. This is about part A. Let's do part B. Part B, they're asking you about the equation. Whenever you add a constant to all the terms, same constant to all the terms, it becomes an arithmetic progression. And to find the value of a general term of arithmetic progression, we have a formula called an is equals to a plus n minus 1 into d, where a is your first term of the sequence and d is the difference between the two consecutive terms, which in this case is your +6. And a is the first term of the sequence, which is your -7 in this case. So now we will be calculating that. So an is equals to a, which is -7, plus n minus 1 as it is from the formula. D is your +6, which is the common difference between the two terms. Now we expand that. -7 plus 6 times n minus 6 times 1, which turns out to be -7 minus 6 is 6n minus 13. And this is nothing but same formula as what we have given here, which is Vn is equals to an plus b, and here we got as Vn is equals to 6n minus 13. You can consider this as Vn only. So if I compare these two, you can see n, coefficient of n here is a and coefficient of n here is 6. So this is a is equal to 6 and constant here b is equal to -13. So we got the answer. This is 6, this is -13. This question is done. Thank you.